Hi there internet friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel Auto Tip Off. Today we take a look at the Volkswagen ID 4 GTX. Stay with us until the end of the video. We will do our best to give you an informative review of this sporty SUV, so don't be shy now, jump into the seat next to us, buckle up and enjoy the ride. Let's face it, performance SUVs and crossovers are all the rage, despite how they might make car enthusiasts feel. Car buyers love them and the numbers don't lie. All SUVs like the Cadillac Escalade V, on down to lesser models like the Toyota Rav 4, sell incredibly well here. So, when Volkswagen unveiled new GTX trims for the Volkswagen ID 4 and other models, we were baffled these Euro-spec trims wouldn't be making their way stateside. The move was more than a year ago, back in April 2021. Since then, VW has released new info further detailing its European-spec GTX trim, and it's done nothing but convince us that VW has to bring these trims to the States ASAP.
As of now, the ID4 GTX is VW's top-of-the-line sporty model with dual-motor AWD. It'll also be getting some new features. That includes black dash and door panel trim, red stitching throughout, like on the seats, as well as black roof framing, mirrors, and diffuser. But the news here is the new standard equipment. If there's one thing American buyers crave, it's feeling like they got a deal. This also applies to anyone with a pulse. Now, VW's new GTX models get tinted side and rear windows, standard heated seats, 2 USB-C ports, and an ionizing air filter. That also includes VW's clever variable center console, which features plenty of neat configurations and hidey holes for your crap. Moreover, the ID.4 GTX is priced competitively in the upmarket EV segment, coming out to $61,987 in American dollars.
There are real performance gains to be had here too, for those that care about that beyond just the sporty aesthetics. The GTX model produces 295 horsepower and 339 pounds-feet of torque, all of which can be sent to variable combinations of the front or rear motors. VW says the GTX usually runs on just its rear motors, spinning up the fronts when it realizes you're starting to pick up the pace. Basically, it works like the VW Golf R's Haldex AWD system in reverse. Frankly, VW would be insane not to bring the GTX trim level stateside. Performance SUVs sell well in America, and VW has said it's already seeing success with the formula in Europe. Apparently, the ID4 GTX consists of 40% of ID4 sales, a staggering number. There will even be an ID Buzz GTX, which we'd kill to have here on US roads.
Fast EVs like the Rivian R1T and GMC Hummer EV have proven the way to sell Americans' EVs is to price them upmarket, and then make them fast. That sounds like the ID4 GTX to a T, and we hope to see this available stateside soon.
Well, there you have it internet friends, that's our take on the Volkswagen ID 4 GTX. Subscribe to Auto Tip Off, slap that notification bell, and to view further episodes just follow the links that appear on your screen. As always, enjoy your driving adventures. From us until the next time, cheers for now.